Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Voice from Senegambia, voice from Kololi, voice from the smiling coast of Africa. Simply the way greetings to my fellow African brothers and my African sisters, my Gambian brothers and sisters. We are calling, to each and every Gambian or every African to subscribe and basically like it and share it to the four corners of the world. It's all about the OIC road project which is going on right in the Gambia. Still the road is under construction. So we got to move together and then, we show you the wonderful and proper works that's going on right now in the Gambia, West Africa, in Senegambia, within Senegambia and Kololi, right? So Pabaji, we can move further and then we exploit the Gambia to the four corners of the world. So this is the project that they are working on right. Is where they stop right now, but still the work is going on. And right now they have break. So we are in the heart of Senegambia, within Senegambia and Kotu. As you always know, when anytime you're saying Lucky Child on the screen, know that Pabaji behind the camera, right? The smiling coast of the Gambia, the smiling coast of Africa, always working hard each and every day just to put the motherland on the map. The Gambia, the smiling coast. So the other sobul that you're seeing right now is high, walking, hardly digging, and the others are backfilling at the same time compacting it. I know either still they want to fix up another flyover in Senegambia because it used to be conject like when it is time for close in time 4, 5, 6 o'clock. When anytime you come around, see the traffic is high blocked. You know what I mean? So maybe they want to fix up the flyover, the passover, like the way they are setting out in a traffic light, Sukuta traffic light. So right now, here is a water crossing point straight to the sea. So maybe here, they will continue the bridge or the water crossing point so that the water will simply have the access to go to the sea. All right. Now, Lucky Child and Pabaji walking. So heavy development, heavy works are going on in Sukuta traffic light as I'm talking to you. And then also, they did a lot of demolish over there. And I know same way they will do demolish on this other way or on this other road that they are trying to, construct. So here will be the diving or the divert way of the road, not to drive on the road when they are walking. So mbadi ngol kon ka fale nyame lek kuma kan lem voice sol mi alon ko abod na mo findule me ka dame mum for Gambia but damen to exactly Gambia kono wolem between Kotu and Senegambia. Kotu Kololi Senegambia. So mbatama kale wolto ka bonon Kotu ma fa wala ka tilin kata Senegambia. So nyilen doko heavy one of the Gambia ba mum kekan on Batin Hadim Highway kang mum OIC road project ko ti mum kita num whereby jella commune Sukuta traffic light yake roundabout holtinum by saying ba kunna falindo ku kanne pour ka ke fly over ti because ni talan nani sita tala lulu kata woro la kata traffic ko nyum fana mbo over block rim fana ngaba congestion ne kendeke so wo sababo fana yatina say lafka fly over do ku woto kana Senegambia la jang comme Gambia la kulem Gambia la kuoku Gambia ba mun kekan rek nyalan ko ku kendo lem banko la nyato talem and banko la fanal la new face lem like a new image sort of, right, you know min bataralia wotole ka tandalia mum fanan ku kendol fanan mum bakkan sate kono do ku kendol fanan ani do ku development kende bal fa mum badu ku kan na banko kan mum Gambia the smiling coast of Africa. So banko lafa ila banko nyato talla aning no banko dingol fane mana kendo soto yesila kendo soto ye good narrative soto fana. So fana baloringo alto wo fanal to Gambia kono jang wala nanka ko nice Gambia, everything is should be nice to be nice, starting from the beginning straight to the ending, you know what I mean. So still now working so this other side yeah jube fango yeah dig seriously after another backfill after backfilling about try can put ka compact, you know what I mean. So compaction lo nying iba mungkang ibo ka kan han for sign but niya jube jamma fango still break laba caring babaji kodi
Yeah, better like kene yale sali wato ni domor wato man jam fanyola.
ya man jam fa
c'est que time din digal la domoro ni kusi pakete after na ya choki do ko kam proteke no
na choki do ko
yeah,
so ni nyata la jelo jube ba sobu lol jelele ba loring, you know what I mean. Wa break mun takan do man dinkela so mi atandi ko ni mum Gambia mumela kulti one kano killing one ngani killing, you know, one Gambia, you know what I mean. Babaji kodi ko
yeah, one Gambia, one people, one nation,
yeah man, one Africa,
one blood, one heart,
you know.
as we always say, one to one. So we are Gambia always nice to be nice, as the name is Nice Gambia.
Nice Gambia, greater Gambia, you know. So alkaje ñamen comme no mo findu do kolem wa sama mbokay nak nuyu na len nuyuat len wax len ne jarama fo ñu munti setan rek ak fo nga munti nek ci gox bi bi channel la bo xamantene mu ngi tuda Nice Gambia comme liñ ko dee waxe rek Nice Gambia, everything is nice to be nice.
Yeah.
So am na ligi heavy jobs bu am digante kotu kololi demé ko be Senegambia, so fa lañ nekk di doye ko di leen wonal liggéey bu heavy job bu fi am. So CDBZ biir Sukuta traffic light dañ ko defoon roundabout bu ñu doon di liggéey tali bi da nga gis ne léegi roundabout bi lañ change ñu ngi def heavy yes, you know, heavy changes over there sa plat bi daanu na
waaw maanaam moto bu ñëw bu am bagare bu nga naaw
waaw moto bu ñëw rek bu xamante ne da nga bëgg a dem straight rek waa nga naaw am nga baga amuloo baga sax
di nga naaw
waaw di nga mën a naaw
loolu neex na dégga
waaw. So moto yi ñuy demee ko si suuf ñoo use roundabout bi noonu leen so da nga gis ne waxtu wàcca bu jotee biir Gambia fi da nga gis ne 4 o'clock 5 o'clock caméra ba 4 o'clock 5 o'clock 6 o'clock bi demee ko ba 7 traffic bi daf lay over conject daf lay over block. So diggante Sénégambia la loolu day happen ak Sukuta traffic light. So da nga gis ne léegi dañu war a def flyover bu xamante ne no men job bi dafa ay travel bi dafa gën a easy ak nit ñi ak ñëpp understand nga waaw. So fii mooy Johnson bu lay wàccal loolu di la yóbbu ba si bij bi jarma dem Pokolo ko noonu lem dem Bamboo Village Hotel bi, you know, and many more, you know what I mean. So it's a chilling spot anyway, you know what I mean. So papa gis nga boor bi ni lañ ko defee they dig and refill it back again and compact it. So this is it. This is our model and our smiling coast. Balal nañ fi tuuti ya.
Yeah, and you have
Demolish bi.
demolish because of for hope like full space, you know what I mean.
Yes.
When there's no space to relocate
Hold
the
on,
road,
hold on.
it's not easy.
Just look at how.
So I don't know how we let them manage here with the water drainage. You know that other side where we are just from, that place have water drainage with same time they are on this road.
No, they will have way, you know, I mean, this is their professionally. And then, you know, you have the how to call it, the engineers, and consultants and so on and so on. Many of them are here with they are really full of skills on their job, so they will know how best they will,
And you can see they dig and give little space.
yeah, with the road.
But this road is very well. This is the way that they have compact.
Yeah,
I mean, it's not a
definitely.
highway. You know, the same
Yeah,
compact with this one.
look at the thickness.
The thickness of the compact.
They really,
It's about 30 centimeter, I can say.
but it's more than that. But this thing is very,
Huh?
the road is strong, and I love the way they really set everything good.
It also is another road which when they not build also a flyover on this other road, like you said. I see an idea which they are trying to create. I don't know whether it's that or not. When all those cars, they are having 3 lanes.
Yeah.
So this other lane is off road. So when we are going to Senegal or Mansa here or anywhere in this side of the beach, when we are from Palmarima Johnson, you can bend and take this other road and you let this other road for those who are going to Tonte go straight.
Yeah, it's a good idea, but through by describing the same settings with support traffic light is the way they set it
Yeah.
before they would do everything. Coming manding kol ka fanya mere ko kun ko tantang bo kun kono ko shirol la kodi. Ha?
Eh,
Ha. Man ka kan wala.
ada kan ngolon de.
Ha. So min reno nyimba hakilo kono miro roll la. Nyaba kunto jirol la. Dabo kunto diamol la nungoba kunto munella mi jiol la. Kodi?
Yes.
Aha.
Kung yan kala ni bakit la mani ka ko. Dia yan dila mani ko man sen ya.
Yalam Gambia jang foni ko maybe mampare like
Ka moy.
no ka moy ke was amo nyani re buka fole, but you can maybe suspect what they are saying ko iba mum foka VIP jero le wadi kadum
Tropical.
on back of the road. So this is it. Even tourists, they walk freely.
Yeah. You know
Comfortable.
Gambia, as we say, free Gambia, free everything. Hello, how are you?
Good to be fine. So Papa as well, I know as soon we will reach.
Free walk. Free walk comfortable. No one gonna see the Gambian women's anywhere in the world.
Hardworking
Hard
ladies.
working every day. Yes, that's tropics.
Tropic there. Tropic shopping center in the Gambia. Likely last week, there were heavy works here.
Yeah,
Heavy works.
heavy work. So, look, how do you see this project?
Yeah, good. And then let's leave that question to the viewers, and whoever will drop your comment. Yes. How do you see, or what do you
Love and like about this project?
Yes, straightforward.
And how do you see the project going on in Gambia yesterday and today?
Yeah. The Gambia yesterday and Gambia today, I can simply say Gambia today is more fast growing, developing than yesterday. Because every day is another day.
Yeah. And every day is another lesson.
So through this smiling coast, you can know about Africa. You can feel like I'm an African. I'm in the Africa. So big up to the Gambian Tourist Board. There's a tourist, boss straight.
go, okay, child, that's other side.
Which side?
Is that other place where you just from around Jarma,
Yeah.
those places doesn't have the water drainage. While this other side is having water drainage. So how
No.
Muna do ko?
Yeah, they will know how to set it out. Come here for more in the local.
Yes.
It a mum electrician only. It almost like the
No wonder alali.
it a electrician only.
E kuma do le fo ko nyaari.
Go it a electrician only.
Ah, okang.
But wakang ngamum for walem ko. It often sila sila dala.
Ah,
Road construction will it all do good. Do you understand the point, innit?
yes.
Yeah, man. So do mo yung banyan la ya like la ya.
Yeah, ni compacta bambante lo ko child.
It's good lah.
An ngala la ni compare min kaya.
Ah.
Iba repeat la ko do compara kan ko rafe. Because arasti ka do ko ke ay bambang. Ibuka do ko quality re. Quantity re. Quality.
Naba.
Yeah, so you know quality is more advanced than quantity, innit?
Definitely to be frank.
Yeah, man. Yes, Amsterdam black and white, Amsterdam restaurant bar black and white, Magic Bar, Salis. So you know you can name the little child.
Yeah, a lot of them.
See them having this self properly white, both blacks and white. Boy Gambia, canoe killing. Diatare. Lucky child.
Yeah, the eye of the Gambia. So here is the runabout in Senegambia that we are talking about.
Yes.
So we are right to the point. Mfutata jele kakak. So wado tiye hapa baji.
Yes.
So konka ko jameng. Na mole subscribe ya like, you know.
Angara do morning ajana jiwe bang. Ko
No. Yalong mo bota jang last week.
ha.
Ba do ko kuma sa
Ala.
kan la kata. You understand? Yeah, pa.
Yes.
Kami afanya mo le fana biye. Kam to ko do
Nine
ko.
dena. Slow feeling.
Short code.
You lead.
Ba ya jele ya.
Yes.
Jana. Straight. So ila fa ngafuta woto. No pol da muta woto ko di. So right. Yeah.
Yes.
Ko bi ko papa jo ko ngaten ten ngata fo jana ma fa ngolla.
Now as you can see from there, there's another section here. Also, there's another section.
Yeah. Hard work.
Yeah, man. So the thing there in Gambia, we all see in 2025 we are almost at the
Yeah.
corner.
December.
Just to view the 2026. That's the new year. And let's come and see again. What will we update again in 2026? The development and both context of showing what's going on in Gambia.
Yeah.
So we know we are always simpler loading car and showing them
Yeah, man, as we telling them always and every time
yeah.
that every year is a new year for the whole world.
Yeah.
So Nice Gambia also will come up different, you know, always new
Different.
ideas, you know, I mean, new proper standard videos, proper videos, you know, to our people
Sir, yeah, man.
all over the globe, you know, man. Yeah.
That's another heavy machine.
Your name?
Who do you call him? I?
Let's go.
Ah, Pa is called upstairs there, man.
Yeah, you just see now.
Yay. Yay. feel like
Yes,
here is the first compact in the door because of I know they're gonna fill all these gaps.
yeah.
Where you going?
We just wanna move to the end and then we close the video. Isn't it?
Richard, come this side.
Yeah. We meet at the end.
It's a new setting.
So this is it, Papaji. Ningomba mana mamfongo jela
Turntable.
turntable.
Yes, me for you turntable. Because I
Go
start that
go
with color let the same feel like a catering bindi. Or in bijilo tema, you know what I mean?
right now. So ala data woto rek bitongo nying.
Yeah.
Aliya muta woto rak. Alkana ñina ka subscribe ka like ka share. Si mbokk yi ñëpp xam na ne waaw Nice Gambia moom fu ñu dugg rek génn rek waaw wax bu set a fa nekk. So basically like it and say it to friends and family. And then, we are saying, Happy New Year in advance. 2026 will be a different and a new pattern of video styles, what I mean? So love you all, LOVEYOU, to all subscribers, to all followers, to all viewers. Kano killing. Kana yun naka subscribe. Basically, I like why.